Welcome dear students. Here we will see the long and short topic. Subject maths. Okay. So we will see what's the long and what's the short. So look here. It's the topic long and short. L-O-N-G. Long. Look here. L-O-N-G. Long. And then S-H-O-R-T. Short. Then long means it has length. जिस चीज को लेंथ होती है, लंबाई होती है, वो लॉन्ग. ओके. एंड देन SHORT शॉर्ट. इट हैज नो लेंथ. इसको ज़्यादा लंबाई नहीं होती है, वो शॉर्ट होता है. ओके. सो वी विल सी द एग्जाम्पल्स. व्हाट इज लॉन्ग एंड व्हाट इज शॉर्ट. सो लुक हियर. Now here is a scale. You can see this scale. It's the first and then this is second. Okay. Now we can see that it has 12 inch. This scale has 12 inch. And the second one is of 6 inch. Means first scale has a length and the second has no length. Means it's long and it's short. Why it's short? Because it has no length, so it is short. Okay. So question is circle the object which is short. So second one is short. Second scale is short, so we will circle the second scale. Okay. Now second example is here. Here are two brooms. First broom has no length, but second broom has a length. So, question is circle the object which is long. Now tell me which broom is long. Very good. Second one broom is long. So, we should circle it. Look here. We circle this broom. Okay. You also solve this in your textbook. So next examples. Here is arrange the objects according to increasing order of their lengths. Here first example of pencil. And it's done for us. Okay. So first example here. We can see pencils. Here are 4 pencils. So each pencil has different length. Okay. Look here. It's a very long. It's short. It's some length. It has some length. Then it's different length. Means each pencil has a different length. So which is shorter? This is number 1. So we'll give the number 1. Then remaining 3 pencils, out of them which is shorter, then give 2 number. Then again remaining 2 pencils. So which is short than the out of 2, then here is 3. And which is long, it's 4th. Okay. So we will also solve these examples. Here are cutters. Okay, these are cutters. So which is a short or cutter or a safety pins? So first we can see here, third one is short out of these 4. So we have to write here 1. Then second one is, this is short out of these 3. So write 2 here. Now remaining 2 pins. Okay. So here is 4th one. It's a shorter than this 1. So write here 3. And remaining its first. It's long. So write here 4. Okay. So now we can see here brush. Toothbrushes are here. Okay. So first is blue, then pink, and third one is green. So which is shorter? Pink. So write 1. Then remaining 2 brush, blue and green. Out of them, which is short? Blue. So write 2. And then remaining is only 1. So write here 3. Okay. Now here are some beads. String of beads. So first string has 5 beads. Then second has 4 beads. Third one has 7th beads. And the last has 3 beads. Means which string has 3 beads? So give number 1. Then the second one has 4 beads. So write 2. And the first one has only 5 beads. So write 3. And the third one has 7th beads. So write here 4. Okay. I hope you understood this lesson. In this lesson, we have seen the long and short. Which objects or things has a length? This thing is long. And which thing has no length than the other thing? This is short. Okay. So today we have seen the concept of long and short with the help of some things. Okay. So your homework is draw some examples of long and short. Example means things. You can draw pencils, you can draw brushes, paintbrush. Okay. So as you like, you can draw examples of long and short. So thank you. Bye.